Good morning, friends. I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to go through how to use effective limit orders to actually buy tokens, scalp them. So we're not looking to hold long term. We're just looking to buy dips. So this is a technique I use. It doesn't take too long and it actually doesn't cost anything. So you don't have to invest anything. The risk of it is much lower than just generally buying tokens. So we're going to be using Dex Screener, Dupe, and we're going to use Bullx to put our limit orders in. If you don't have Bullx or you don't want to use it, link is in the description. You can use limit orders on Jupiter. So they do have limit orders. So you'd put in your price, etc. In fact, I'll show you a bit later on how to use it. But for me, I use Bullx. So what we're going to do is we want tokens that are volatile, meaning we want tokens that are up and down, up and down. Someone sells a big amount, we get in before everyone else. That's why we're using limit orders. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the filter, and I want something maybe, let's say 4 hours old. And I might not be able to show you in the video because sometimes it takes long, but we're going to put some limit orders in. I want the one with the most volume, excluding these high market caps, because we're only playing with one Solana, basically. So let's have a look. This one looks dead. Discord mascot. Crown cat. So we're going to open a few of these up. Preferably the ones that aren't major market caps. Tesla mascot. See, paying attention to what the meta is or what's doing well. So for here, I mean, I don't like the chart. On this one, I don't like the chart. So we need something where it's around here and it's dipping down. This one seems okay. Good name, actually. This one's sadly come to an end. This one definitely came to an end. So this one I don't mind, and this one as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a limit order on Bullx. And what a limit order does, it positions you to say, I want to buy at this level. So let's go with 0.5. And we're going to put a limit order here. Bit low. Let's put 20%. So I'll type in minus 20%. And if that drops below, our order will activate and we will purchase the token. Now, what was that? Wimpus and Milloween. This is a good name, actually. Depending on what the community is like, we can probably put. Now, notice my balance is still one Solana. And we're going to do a limit order here. So on this chart, interestingly, you might think, okay, this is the floor. Where you think the floor is, put it slightly lower. Because that is what everyone else is thinking. People will put their limit orders here. It will trigger, it will buy, etc. Or it will just go all the way down and you'll buy before them. Trust me, wherever you think the limit order is going to come in, that's where you need to put it. So again, this might take a little bit of time. And we're going to go with another 20% roughly on this. Now these might not come in. So our buy has activated, you can see here, and we've purchased. Have we purchased at a good price? Who knows? But potentially we put in half a Solana, and as you can see, we're up on that, and I'll just quickly sell that. Very small profits, but a very small time frame. So we've made probably 0.1, something like that, on that. So you can see limit orders work really well. Let's see if this one ever comes in. I think we put it too low, it might take some time to hit, but potentially just below where the floor is, we've put it in. But you can see the potential of limit orders and why they work so well. So if I came in and I thought, okay, I'm going to buy the dip here, you would have probably lost your money. Or not lost your money, but you would have probably been down, and now you have to hold, hoping the price is going to go up. Again, we can do this again. It's not like, this is how you out trade everyone. So we can say, okay, now we've watched this token, we've got a bit of knowledge, let's put another one. So another 0.5, for example, and we'll put it there, or even a bit lower, just to be safe. And then you can constantly out trade everyone and just over time take liquidity from the chart. Of course, this can go wrong. This can dip down and continue to dip, but you would have gotten lower than when you brought, in theory. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope it's helped, and fingers crossed. This is how I trade. I don't really necessarily, how can I put it, trade too long in a sense, but yeah, I prefer to scalp swing trade it, and I end up making more. So I'll probably turn this one Solana. I'm going to trade for a few hours, watching some charts. These are demonstration purposes. I probably wouldn't have even brought any of these, and if I did, it would probably be down here. So all the best and take care.